nonsense is this? I told her if she cannot give me a child, let's go our separate way. We're not going nowhere. Or by force.
Hey! You don't know Igbo is between Zeus. Mike, very funny you. You were crying and begging this girl to marry you. Barely few weeks after your marriage and all this is happening. Hey!
Jesus Christ. This is my friend. My friend. This woman, I'm telling you. Okay, when my father got married to my mother, let me not just start from there. My family, within 2 weeks, any woman that got married to my family, 2 weeks, that person will get pregnant. Now, my own mother conceived me within 2 weeks.
You don't mean it.
Now, it's up to 4 weeks. She cannot get pregnant for me. So what are you trying to tell me? How I
know that your case is a case of money misruled. You go if you go. Nah, this what the matter about yourself? Can I call it far, eh? Yeah.
I don't blame you, Sha. I don't blame you because I've made you rich. You're gonna give me talk nonsense because you're not in my shoes. That's why you have the guts to open this your nonsense mouth and be talking nonsense. How can you tell me that a woman who's supposed to conceive a child for me, Mike,
chill. Nonsense, Mike. You want a girl whose brother is the richest in this town to leave your house, all because she couldn't bear a child in few weeks for you? Hey, you boy and Zuzu.
You are a fool.
Am I left?
Give me
a idiot.
Nah, I don't even know why I choose you as a friend. So all this why you be said that means all madam now going like that. So I cannot even talk to you for you to back me. This is my woman now. It's like she's giving you money.
Idiot. Huh? If you have sense, if you're sensible enough, you should know that you can't find out if you're even capable of impregnating a woman. Then if you're okay and she's not, what need to adopt a child?
Adopt a child, kill you. Me go adopt, idiot. My father gave birth to me, and his father gave birth to him. So I will give birth to somebody. I will not go and buy a child. In sense. In what sense? No, let me adopt you now.
I'm understanding everything now. I can understand it now. If we're gonna go now,
when I was going to school. How is it? It can never be my fault. No, they tell me no sense. I thought you give me solution. What kind of money? I don't need the money again, sir.
Igirigendo.
You are almost late.
I'm sorry. The items for the sacrifice was difficult to get.
Take it away. The next will be a young life. Your ring will be very useful on that one. You do not need to bring his body here.
Okay. 12 noon. Tomorrow you'll hear from me.
Good. You may leave.
Thank you, Mama Nuku. Ije woke up or can't walk.
Obi ajule na eme ofuma.
Kama otobu ga no kwanu na nleka. Ogba eteme market. Sopa.
Igirigendo.
Ya sopa.
Igirigendo.
Ya sopa.
Kobe. Obi ajule for wasia. The fearless lion. Odobuwa.
12 noon tomorrow, I will surprise you.
What up, Banabo? What?
Ah! If I didn't go, Papa, you know. Okay, Papa, if I didn't go, to be the Ah! Mama Nuku. Oh, Mama Nukum. Oh, people, Mama Nukum. Come on, don't go on one week. Wait a minute, market. Ali, a little marathon. Yes,
Supanofe.
You said I should come to your house. What are you doing here?
See, have you been asking yourself same question I'm asking myself? Have you ever think about your life and ask yourself questions that you need in your life?
Chima, I'm not asking myself any question. I'm not preparing for Wayek or jump. What are the questions?
Obiajulu came back to this village, sprayed us money, and we were happy. Have you asked yourself how he made that money?
So Chima, this is the question you've been asking yourself.
See, let me tell you. You see what I want to tell you now? We have to go and meet Obiajulu and ask Obiajulu with our beg, teach us the way so that we make money. I love money. Money and blood works together. I'll tell you for my like he may go.
Let me tell you something you don't know. If Obiajulu should open his mouth and tell you how he made his money, my brother, you will not even have mouth to ask any question again.
See what you are saying? I smell poverty in your life. No, tell me, listen. Obiajulu is alive. He is enjoying that money. And how did he make the money?
Okay. Look at Obiajulu's house. Upon all his money, look at the kind place he's still living. Hey,
let me enjoy the money and live in a tash house. Hey, wait. What are you saying?
I don't want to say this thing.
I am the one. I'm smelling poverty. In your life, poverty everywhere.
I'm smelling sacrifice. In your life, you will be used for sacrifice.
I'm smelling poverty. You will die in poverty.
You will die in sacrifice.
You will die in poverty.
This boy want to do me something. Take care. Oh, I can't Agazo. Kambu Agazo. Who you be? Kambu Agazo. Suspect.
Call me Obika.
Obika!
Call me Obika.
Hey!
This is for you.
Oh, Simone. Hey, your money.
Thank you very much.
Your money. Thank you, sir. Obika, your money.
I will never go poor again in my life.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Your money. Thank you, sir.
Oh boy, with this money, you see that you get from kitchen?
Trust me now.
She will accept everything I'm going to do. See, I'm going to give my mother this money so that she will use it and buy sandal.
Me, I will never give my mother this money. She will take it from me.
So what are you going to use it for?
I.
We go share the money.
Wait. You don't tell me. From that place, you tell me you later. Share the money.
Alright, calm down. This money, you go face cool. If I can't go house, I go drop her.
Calm down, or stop.
Get the high voice. I go share the money, go do that. For me, we go first.
Wait. Get where or stop. From that place, where everybody give us this money, they talk nonsense. Shall say go go.
We go share them for the money. I go carry the money, go house.
See.
Okay, don't dey my brain. Don't follow me for back.
Calm down. Share this money.
I don't share this money with you. Even if I will give you this money, don't worry. I'll just give you small. Right. Hold on. Make no be like I don't give you money. Hold this one. Take this one and go buy.
I want to put for. Bring one.
I can't. We are not going to people in the village.
Wait. Okay. On that one, me and you go die here. Calm down, or stop. Give me that money. Give me that money.
The crazy. I don't know. I feel like I want to fuck up. Another.
Amy. Stand up, may we share them. Stand up now, may we share them. May I collect the 5? Remember.
I hope all is well.
All is not well.
What happened? What is the problem?
My husband sent me out of the house.
He sent you out?
Yes.
And why is that?
He said I'm supposed to be pregnant by now.
What? Is he mad? Eh? Are you God that gives children? I don't understand. He sent you out of the house we bought for him?
Yes, he actually sent me out. I tried to explain things to him, but he wouldn't listen.
I will deal with him.
No, please. Don't touch him. He's always like that. You know he's very stubborn, but I believe once his brain settles, he will come pleading. Please.
I must deal with him. You should know that you are not the average girl in this village. Eh? You are my sister. I will deal with him.
I know, but please don't. Just let him be. I know my husband. He will come around, certainly. Please. Don't touch him.
It's okay. Just settle in. Very soon I will complete my duplex, so you can move in there and come in anytime you want. Right? But for him, don't worry. I'll settle it. Let's go inside.
Let me get my bag.
Okay. I'll mess him up. He's so stupid. He wants you out of the house we bought for him. Eh?
Obiajulu Muhammadi,
Mama Noko.
the fearless lion.
Hi. Netumia.
Igiligindo.
Hi.
1.
Why you never be a nigga?
Ofonya na Juna Biago.
Hi. Why you never more, Puma?
You are a loyal son, and I think I like that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How many sacrifices have you made already?
6, and I can still do more. Come on, Dogu Gano Pananaleka. I have super.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Bayoma. Thank you.
Go home. Rest. Prepare yourself for the 7th sacrifice. We call it the big sacrifice of blood.
The big sacrifice of blood?
Yes.
Please. Which is?
Go home. Eat whatever you want to eat. And drink whatever you want to drink. Come back tomorrow and we will talk about it.
Very well then. Thank you so much. Mama Noko. Thank you.
Obiajulu.
Hey! Wayoma Kalaka.
Odogu.
Wayoma Silika.
The fearless lion.
Nuku Wayoma. I'm again. Why you never me? Negos.
Wasia.
Why you never me?
Obiajulu.
Nemenkala.
Obiajulu.
Come on, Dogu Gano.
Afiazuba. Obiajulu
Why you
Muhammadi.
never me?
Obiajulu Fuwa. Mwa Fuwa. Neko. Kobe. Obiajulu Bocha. Obiajulu Bocha. Fubangwa. Hey!
How can my son and Uduka's son just disappear into the thin air in this village? Mazi, calm down, calm down. We will search for them, even in the bush or wherever it is. We will search for them, and I am telling you.
In the bush?
Yes.
How can they be in the bush since last night?
Listen to me. Do you know why I said you should calm down? Since Obiajulu has promised that he will lend a helping hand in searching for them. Do you know that I have even involved police? Yes, they will help us. Definitely. We will get them. They cannot just disappear into thin air. Are they breeze? No. Calm down, please. Just go home and relax. Don't put BP for your body, oh. Don't put BP for your body. You know, you're an elderly man, oh. Look at me.
Okay,
please, eh? Huh? Go home and rest. Go home, please, eh? Take care.
Obiajulu.
Why?
You are now a happy man.
Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy and rich. Though I'm a bit worried and scared of the unknown.
You are scared. But what will be, must be. You still have one big sacrifice of blood to make in 3 days.
Look, I am ready. Just tell me what you want me to sacrifice and I will do it. I will get it.
If the fish does not swim, what else can it do?
The fish must swim. Yes. Because the fish is created to swim. The fish must swim. Look why my heart is in turmoil. Tell me what you want me to sacrifice and I will try my best and bring it. Eh?
Okay, actually, your sister.
Look why. Gabakwa na agba. Got below dogu of God. Please, she's my only sister.
I know. But that is what Mama River wants.
Please tell Mama River that I will bring 10 million. Balloon alert 10 million. Now, Kita, pick up.
Obiajolo, that is an insult. We are money. We give money. Obiajolo, do you want to pour water to an ocean to make it bigger?
Look why you don't understand what I'm. She's my only sister. Well, you're not now. Go one my sister. Okay, I'll give 100 cows. No, 200 cows. Come measure 600 cows. Wait here. Now, one day about.
Obiajolo, will you shut up? Obiajolo, who gave you the wealth? Who made you the fearless lion? Who gave you the money you want to use in buying those million cows?
Mama River. I must admit it. Mama River gave me wealth.
Good. You cannot give from what has been given to you. You give what you cherish the most.
Mama Noko, I cannot do this. Mama, she's my only sister. I embarked on this movement because of her. I cannot afford to kill her. No. No. Take my life. I'm ready to die. I'm ready to die to make her happy. I'm ready to die for her to enjoy my wealth. I'm ready to die. Let me be the sacrificial lamb so that my family will be happy.
Your sister is exactly what Mama River needs. Obiajolo, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days.
Please, I will not do it. I don't care, sister. I don't want to kill my mom. No, let's think about other things.
Get out of my sight! Now.
The fearless lion. You cannot pour water into ocean to make it big. If I need Jono Bobala, Bobala, Mamo Biajolo, Nyanya Bala, Mamo. An eye for an eye.
Obiajulu,
Why?
you are now a happy man.
Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy and rich. Though I'm a bit worried and scared of the unknown.
You are scared. But what will be, must be. You still have one big sacrifice of blood to make in 3 days.
Look, I am ready. Just tell me what you want me to sacrifice and I will do it. I will get it.
If the fish does not swim, what else can it do?
The fish must swim. Yes. Because the fish is created to swim. The fish must swim. Look, why? My heart is in turmoil. Tell me what you want me to sacrifice and I will try my best and bring it. Eh?
Okay, actually, your sister.
Nnukwu nwanyị ga-agbakwa na-agba ga-atibere odogwu of God. And please, she's my only sister.
I know. But that is what Mama River wants.
Please tell Mama River that I will bring 10 million. Balloon alert 10 million. Now, get that. Pick up.
Obiajulu, that is an insult. We are money. We give money. Obiajulu, do you want to pour water to an ocean to make it bigger?
Look, why? You don't understand what I'm... She's my only sister. Well, you're not like now. Go, you can one my sister. Okay, I'll give 100 cows. No, 200 cows. Come back. Come measure 600 cows. Wait here. Now, one day about...
Obiajulu, will you shut up? Obiajulu, who gave you the wealth? Who made you the fearless lion? Who gave you the money you want to use in buying those million cows?
Mama River. I must admit it. Mama River gave me wealth.
Good. You cannot give from what has been given to you. You give what you cherish the most.
Mama Noko, I cannot do this. Mama, she's my only sister. I embarked on this movement because of her. I cannot afford to kill her. No. No. Take my life. I'm ready to die. I'm ready to die to make her happy. I'm ready to die for her to enjoy my wealth. I'm ready to die. Let me be the sacrificial lamb so that my family will be happy.
Your sister is exactly what Mama River needs. Obiajolo, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days.
Please, I don't want to kill my sister. I don't want to kill my mom. No, let's think about other things.
Get out of my sight. Now.
The fearless lion.
Brother, what is it? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. How are you?
I am alright. But I really need to talk to you.
Okay. What is it?
I really want to apologize concerning what happened between Etiko and I. I honestly did not understand what you were fighting for in the first place. I'm so sorry, bro.
I've forgiven you, right? You're my sister, so don't worry yourself.
Thank you so much, bro.
You're welcome. You'll go back to the city with me on Sunday. I want you to start job immediately in one of my companies, okay?
Oh, brother, what could I have ever done without you? You're just the best brother in the whole world. Thank you so much.
It's fine. Don't worry. You're welcome, okay? Don't worry yourself. So just get ready.
Thank you.
I'll do everything for you. You are my only sister.
What haven't you done for me? You've done virtually everything.
I will do more.
Thank you, bro.
What's the need making money when your sister is not enjoying?
You're not like that.
I have money. I want you to enjoy it.
You are the best brother in the whole world. I wonder what I would have done without you. Thank you so much for everything.
Welcome. It's fine. Let's go in, okay? This doesn't make sense at all. At the end, what's the need making money when your sister cannot enjoy it?
The fearless lion. You cannot pour water into ocean to make it big. If I need your love, no going back.
Brother.
Enjoy.
What would I have done without you?
Enjoy yourself.
Oh, I wish Mama were
Enjoy.
to be here.
Enjoy.
I wish Papa were to be here to see all this. Oh, Namo. Hi, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. God will bless you for everything you have been doing for me. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Hey. Hey. Let me pick my money, oh! Hey. I'm coming, brother.
fearless lion. You cannot pour water into ocean to make it big. If I need channel, bobala, bobala, mamo biajolo, nyanya bala, mamo biajolo, no going back, yo biajolo, mamo biajolo, akwafia supagoli yo, mamo manuku, nyanya bala, anu supego, nyanya bala, ega manyo mariba. An eye for an eye. Into ocean to make it big. If I need channel, bobala, bobala, mamo biajolo, nyanya bala, mamo biajolo, no going back, yo biajolo, mamo biajolo, akwafia supagoli yo, mamo manuku, nyanya bala, anu supego, nyanya bala. Ega manyo mariba, anu akubego. Ega manyo mariba, an eye for an eye.
Mama Noko.
I did not ask you to bring the hedge. I asked for your sister.
So what do we do now?
Bring her body to me.
Okay. Well, here is the head. Yes, I heard.
Come back. Take the fake hedge away. You have 17 hours. 17 hours to bring your sister to me. Take it away. Take the fake head away! Ngelayo nwode, ngelayo yokata onye furu gị zala, nne gị furu gị zala, nna gị furu gị zala. Ngelayo nwode, ngelayo yokata onye furu gị zala, nne gị furu gị zala, nna gị furu gị zala. Obi ajụlụ nwa amadi.
What am I going to do now? things have gone really bad. No, I'm not going to kill my blood. I'm not going to kill my only sister. I'm not going to kill someone that loves me so well. I'm not going to kill someone I love. No, no. Who will then enjoy the money? Who will enjoy the money? No, I'm not going to kill her no matter what it takes. For the love of this family, I will pay with my life. I will pay with my life.
If a fish doesn't swim, what else does it do?
It swims still.
Excellent. I know you have answered it all. And from the beginning, you were told we need 3 things. Blood, blood, and more blood. And for months, we left you to enjoy your wealth. Why are you trying to be smart?
She is my only sister.
Have you heard about an eye for an eye?
Yes.
Do not destroy your life.
Please. I cannot kill my sister. I cannot kill my blood. I cannot kill someone that I love. Name it. Tell me whatever you want. Tell me. I will foot it. I will buy it. I will pay. Do you want 100 cows? I will buy them. 100, 50, 70 virgins. Anyone you want, tell me. I will get it for you. I can get them, but I cannot kill my sister. I cannot kill my blood. I cannot kill my only blood. Please, help me. Please, I beg you. In the name of God, I beg you, please, help me. Please.
An eye for an eye.
Alright, no, but my sister. My sister, no. I cannot kill my sister. Please.
An eye for an eye.
Please.
An eye for an eye.
I want you to consider me. I cannot do this. This is huge. This is big. Please. Bikonu. Bikonu. Manju, my sister Narakana. Oh my God, please. No, not do it. I cannot try it at all. It's not possible.
Joe, who are you talking to? Are you okay? Can you please talk to me? You were talking to yourself, brother. It's not normal. You're crying? Brother? Brother, wait. You're scaring me. Did anyone die? Can you talk to me, please?
Someone will send you 120 million naira to your account. Please. Whatever it is, do not go back to where we came from. Whatever it is, don't go broke, please. Don't. There is a man named Nabogo. He will send you 250 million to your account. There is another named Akokale and Hakokwa. He will send you 350 million. All the people that owe me will send the money to your account. In total, it will sum up to 6 billion naira. Use it well, please.
But I don't understand. See, I don't understand what is really going on. Whatever it is, just calm down and explain things to me. You're even making me scared and frightened.
Use it well. Use it well.
But use it well.
Don't go back to poverty. Do not go back to poverty, please.
Even at that, you're making me scared. Please explain things to me, brother.
Use it well.
The money is way too much. I mean, how am I...
Make sure you do not fail me, please.
It's making me scared. Obi Ajulu. Obi.
Odo magala deje. Odo magala lele make it. Isa anyi kwuru na ya kwuru me isa anyi jede la anyi jede. Eke wuke lele make leg. Hey! Odo magala lele make leg, lele make leg, lele make leg. Isra anyi no goji. Na anyi no goji. Boda nku. Bonde nku. Odo magala lele make leg. Mo mari ba lele make leg. Boda nku. Israel me maga. Israel jere la ye jere mi Israel lo ade la ye alo ade. Ele make leg won mari ba. Won mari ba le make leg. Won mari ba le make leg. Ele make leg. Won mari ba. Nga odo magala. Oya, won mari ba.
I've made up my mind.
You have made up your mind to do something that would destroy your life.
Mama, look, I want to die in place of my sister.
You do not tell us what you want. We tell you what we want. I tell you what Nwama River wants. You think you can deceive me? You want to deceive Nwama River?
No. Mama Nuku, my sister has suffered a lot. I watched my sister suffer. We've been in poverty. We've known poverty. My sister has not known happiness all her life. I want my sister to enjoy happiness. Yeah. I want her to enjoy happiness.
I said you should go and bring your sister. Go and bring your sister.
No. No. Take my manhood. I'm ready to bring it out now. Take my manhood and allow my sister to live happily. Take my manhood now.
Obiajolo Nwamade, if we wanted your manhood, we would have taken it long ago. You do not have much time. Go and bring your sister here.
But I recall he said, if I did not bring my sister, that you would take my life. Now, I have made up my mind. Take my life. Kill me, I want to die.
No. Obiajola, I said no. No.
I want my sister to leave. I want her out of this. I am ready to take the pain. I embarked on this movement because of my sister. I cannot afford to bring her here. I cannot afford to see her die. No! I will not take it.
Obiajolo Nwamade, shut up. Is only a stupid child that will ask her mother to return the money she lent from her. Forgotten the fact that she suckled from her breast for so many months. Even your life cannot repay for what we have given to you, for what Nwama River has given to you. Obiajolo, you have 15 hours. 15 hours to bring your sister to me.
Then get ready to kill me.
Get out of.
I said, get ready to kill me.
Get out!
I'm not bringing my sister.
Obiajolo, get out!
I don't want your riches anymore. Take my riches. Take your riches. I don't want anymore.
Obiajolo, get out before I will strike you and your entire generation. Obiajolo, I will destroy you. I will destroy your full generation.
Sorry.
Obiajolo, mbutuo. Obiajolo, mbutuo.
Mbutuo, please.
Let
me explain something. She's my only sister. I cannot afford to. Let's do something. Please. I don't want to kill my sister. Let's sort something.
You want to sort out something with me on Nwama River? Obiajolo, you've made money. We gave you money and you think you've grown.
Get with it.
Obiajolo, you now challenge Nwama River. You shall see.
Mama Nukwa Fok go up. Mama Nukwa Fok go up. Because can't sort on a fan. Please, let's sort this thing. Oh, we're called it. I cannot kill my sister now. Mama Nuku, please now. Mama Nuku. Mama Nuku, let's sort this thing. Can you sort to Oya Biko? I'll get 25 heads. 25.
The fearless lion. You cannot pour water into ocean to make it big. If I need your love, no going back. An eye for an eye.
How can you give us an empty vessel? How dare you give us nothing but the world to give to you?
I do not understand.
You don't understand? You will understand when the time comes.
What? Can you please explain further? Can you make me understand you better? Can I talk to you?
What's going on? My sister.
Oh. Yegeregendo.
You think you can deceive us?
Mama Nuku, I don't get you. I do not understand. How do you mean? I sacrificed my sister.
Your sister is as good as nothing. A rotten egg is worth more than her.
My sister? I'm yet to understand it. Oh, she's no longer a virgin, right? I understand, okay? The truth is this, at her age, I do not expect her to be a virgin. I don't know, but I know she might not be a virgin.
She has no womb in her.
What? My sister? How is that possible? No, it's not possible. Let me tell you, wise one, we discuss everything. We discuss everything, my sister and I. I am sure she did not do any abortion. I am sure.
Is that question meant for Mama Nuku?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama Nuku. But the truth is, I was not aware she has no womb.
Another host has taken her womb long ago.
Another host?
Yes. A man who thinks you are in a tug of war with him has ruined her womb.
Etiko. Etiko. No! 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 No, Etiko! No!
I see you've grown wings.
Yes. And what will happen to that? Eh? What will you do to me? Tell me. I've grown wings. I've made money. That is my what I had all man to go life. What will you do to me?
You now have the infantry to block my way.
I now have the money to challenge you. I have money to challenge you. I have money to speak to you. I have power to fight you. To tell me, how do you want it? What did you do to my sister? Else, I will burn you and this car. I will set you ablaze and you will see it.
Little boys acting like the big bad wolves. Be very careful, Biajolo.
Very careful then what will happen. If I'm not careful, what will it happen? I say, what did you do to my sister? I don't know like this. It's an organ now you get green now, Charlie. Eh? When I used to beg you money, now you'll be messing me around, Baba. I have money to fight you. I have the power to fight you. So tell me, what did you do to my sister? That is what I want to hear.
You touched me.
Yes, I touched you. Do your worst. What did you do to my sister? Do your worst.
I should do my worst.
Oh.
I should do my worst.
Oh. Baba, what for they saying? Shoot me, let me see. Shoot me now, let me see. You want to shoot me, right? Shoot me, let me see. You know they fear me? Let me tell you something, eh? You must tell me what you did to my sister. Else, we will fight. Else, I will kill you alive. I will set you ablaze. You and this, your wretched nonsense car. I will set you ablaze and you will see it. Baba, let me just allow you today. But you must tell me what you did to my sister. I will come for you. In a friend, I will come for you. Okay, you know you didn't next amateur with small money. Go this town, you see it. I will come for you and you will see it. Let me just go for today. I will come back again for you.